Presenting Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 laptop. It features Windows 10 Home operating system and weighs 1.5 kilograms. This laptop also comes in 4 other pattern variants as laptop with headset and optical wireless mouse, laptop with 2 years extra warranty, laptop with 2 years extra warranty and 2 years extra ADP, and laptop with top loader and optical sensor mouse. The laptop is powered by 11th generation Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor with 2.4 GHz base speed, 4.2 GHz maximum speed, 8 MB cache and 4 cores. It also features Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. The 8 GB DDR4 3200 RAM and integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics card ensures a smooth performance. The 512 GB SSD makes sure that you can store all your movies, picture and music. This Lenovo laptop has 52.5 Wh lithium polymer battery with up to 7 hours battery life. The 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display with 1920 x 1080 pixels resolution, IPS technology, 250 nits, 45% NTSC color gamut gives a true-to-life experience. The two 2-watt stereo speakers with HD and Dolby audio provides an immersive experience. The laptop comes with 2 USB 3.1 Generation 1 ports, 1 USB 3.1 Type-C port, headphone and mic combo jack, 1 HDMI 1.4B port, 4-in-1 media port and Bluetooth for easy connectivity. Inside the box you will find the laptop, power adapter, user manual and active pen stylus.